In this video, you'll learn how to put your eBay store on vacation mode. This feature allows you to temporarily suspend your store's operations while you're away, ensuring that your customers are informed and your listings are managed appropriately. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Navigate to the Seller Hub, which is the main dashboard for managing your eBay activities. Once you are in the Seller Hub, look for the store option located in the left-hand menu. Clicking on this will direct you to the store settings where you can manage various aspects of your eBay store. Next, locate the settings button within the store section. This is usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on settings to access the relevant configurations for your store. After this action, you will be presented with different options related to your store management. Once you are in the store settings, find the option labeled time away or vacation settings. This is the feature that allows you to enable your store's vacation mode. Click on this option to proceed. You should see a toggle switch or checkbox that allows you to turn on the vacation setting. Activate this setting to let your customers know that your store is temporarily closed. After enabling the time away setting, you will need to set the specific dates for your vacation. This includes selecting both your start and end dates. Ensure that the dates reflect the actual time you will be unavailable. Additionally, you will have the option to decide whether you want to allow sales during this period. Make your selection based on your preference. Once you've configured these details, look for the Save button to apply your changes. It is important to remember that activating vacation mode may affect your store's visibility to potential buyers. Ensure that you have communicated your absence clearly in your listings. After saving your changes, a confirmation message should appear indicating that your store is now in vacation mode. Verify that the settings reflect your chosen dates and preferences before exiting the page. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.